Hey, welcome to New Mexico Airstream. We're going to work on this Ford Edge Sport. Please like and subscribe. Let's get started. It's a 2018 Ford Edge with an air code P144A. We'll fix that today. First step is to take off the engine cover. Two 10mm bolts here and here. Take those off, take off the cover. This one you push over and down. It's not the easiest thing to do. And then that just pops out. This one has a button that you push and pull. Same with this one. Let's push. Dang. Push this, the tab here, push that, pull it off. And that just slide right out. This part is what we need to get. I just wanted to show a close-up of this clip because I couldn't see it in that video, but so once that's on there, there's two tabs here that you push and then pull this. It's got a little clip. That's on the left side of the engine. This one is a push button, pulls right off. This one's a push button that pulls right off, and then this is a little clip that you push and pull for the electronic part. So anyway, this is the one. Now on the new part, this is a push button like this one and this one. So anyway, that's it. This is the part for the replacement from Duralast Auto Zone. This part just a little different. Put it on anyway. Okay, I'm going to clear the code and check it before I put the cover back on the motor. I'm going to erase the codes, make sure that it doesn't come back. The code is gone. Now we need to put this back on. I should do it. Hope that helps.